Okay, children, let's see the next exercise. This exercise is to syllabify the word. Okay, to syllabify the word. What does mean by syllabify? We are going to divide it and we are going to read it. Okay, if you are what is the usage of syllabify? What the usage of syllabify is to it make us to read easily. Okay, when there are many letters like more than 5, more than 6, 7 letters, it will be easy to, when we syllabify, then it will be easy to read get the correct word. Okay, let's syllabify the given word. The first one is forget. 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 Okay, now we are going to syllabify for and get. This is one and this is one. Forget. Okay, this is, next see this. Here I am going to syllabify here. Rail, road. Rail, road. R-A-I-L, rail, road. R-O-A-D, road. Okay, listen children carefully. You want, when you are syllabify, you have some meaning. Rail and road. You want to syllabify like this. You should not syllabify like rai and road, not. You want to syllabify correctly. Rail, road. Listen here, this is a cotton. You are having a two sounds, cot and ten. You can participate, divided into two. Cotton. C-O-T, cotton. T-O-N, cotton. Okay, let's see here. This is package. We are going to divide it like this. Pack. P-A-C-K. Package. A-G-E-H. Package. Okay, let's see the next word. This is a napkin. Napkin. N-A-P. Napkin. K-I-N, kin. Okay, nap. N-A-P, napkin. K-I-N, kin. Okay, listen here. This is a notebook. You are having a two syllabify. Notebook. Note. N-O-T-E. Note. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Notebook. Okay, you understand? Notebook. Okay, let's tell this word louderly. Okay, I will help you to how to syllabify the word. First, come on, tell me this word loudly. Thunder. T-H-U-N. Thunder. D-E-R. Thunder. Okay, T-H-U-N. Thunder. D-E-R. Thunder. Okay, under, or else you can divide it like this also. T-H, under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Under. Okay, let's listen. Let's tell this word loudly. Ladder. You can divide it like this also. Ladder. Okay, this is not a ladder, it's a ladder. It's a ladder. Okay, come on. Tell me this word loudly. Wonder. One. W-O-N. Wonder. D-E-R. Wonder. W-O-N. Wonder. D-E-R. Wonder. Okay, now let's move to this word. This is weekend. So I am going to syllabify like this. Weekend. W-E-E-K. Weekend. E-N-D. End. Weekend. Okay, listen it carefully. This is butter. butter. Okay, you can syllabify like this also. B. What is the sound of B? B. Utter. A-T-T-E-R. Utter. B. Utter. Butter. Okay, this is a B sound, isn't it? What is the sound of B? B. Okay, very nice. B. Utter. B. Utter. Butter. Butter. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is sister. 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 S-I-S. Sister. T-E-R. Ter. Okay, sister. Sister. Okay, let's move to this word. Tell me loudly, what is this word? Balloon. Balloon. Okay, so I'm going to divide it like this. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Balloon. Balloon. Okay, B-A-L-L. Ball. Oon. O-O-N. Oon. B-A-L-L. Ball. Oon. O-O-N. Oon. Okay, okay, let's move to this word. This is starfish. Starfish. S-T-A-R. Starfish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Starfish. Okay, so I'm just break the word star and fish. Okay, bedroom. Bedroom. B-E-D. Bedroom. R-O-O-M. Room. B-E-D. Bed. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. Okay, listen, I've just divided into two. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. Room. Okay. Okay, just I'm going to tell me one more time, because this is a very important, as well as a little bit you can feel it tough, because this is the first step you're taking to syllabifying the word, isn't it? So I'm going to revise one more time so you can get it the actually how to syllabify the word. Okay, let's listen. This is forget, isn't it? Forget. When you are pronouncing the word, you should get break somewhere, isn't it? For example, say forget. Yeah, getting the break in R. Forget. So I'm just breaking the after R. This is railroad. Railroad. R-A-I-L. Railroad. R-O-A-D. Road. Okay, rail road. Okay, you are getting some break, isn't it? Tell me loudly the word rail road. Rail road. Rail road. Okay, you're getting some break. So you want to syllabify that place. Say this is a cotton. 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 This is package. 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 This is napkin. Napkin. Okay, napkin. Napkin. Okay, this is notebook. 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 This is thunder. 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 This is ladder. Ladder. This is wonder. 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 And this is butter, isn't it? Butter. B-U-T. B. So I'm just divided the single word separately because it's giving a nice sound. B. Utter. B. Utter. Butter. Listen it carefully. This is weekend. You're getting the break, isn't it? You're tell me loudly. Weekend. Weekend. Weekend, isn't it? You're getting this some break after week, isn't it? So I'm just put a line here. So next listen. This is a sister. Tell me loudly, sister. Yes, you're getting a break after the word sis. Sister. Okay, listen. This is a balloon. Ball. Ball. You're getting a break in ball. Balloon. 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 This is starfish. Yeah, tell me the word starfish loudly, children. Come on together. Tell me the sound of the starfish loudly. Starfish. Starfish. You're getting some break after the star. You can realize that. Yes, you're getting some break. Isn't it? Starfish. This is bedroom. Bedroom. You're getting some break after the word bed. So I've just divided this like this. Bedroom. Okay, children, did you understand how to syllabify the word? Okay, to syllabify the word, you have to read the word pronunciation correctly, then only you can break the word correctly. Okay, what is the use to syllabify the word? We can easily read 10 letter word, 15 letter word very easily. Okay, and okay, if you're not understand, don't worry at all. This is a very first step to syllabify the word. We can see a lot of exercise regarding this. You can understand very betterly. Okay, children. Okay, let's go to the exercise.